Hi everybody, my name is Nidhi Singh and I'm the founder of PCOS Club India. India is one of the largest communities for managing PCOS holistically. In today's video, I'm going to talk about top 5 tips to manage PCOS. I'm also a PCOS coach and certified holistic nutritionist. I'm also someone who's living with PCOS, so I make sure that whatever content that I'm producing is evidence-backed and in line with the latest research. So let's dive right in. Now, PCOS is a complex endocrine dysfunction. It is not just a disease, but it is a complex endocrine disorder which can affect our entire body. So it's not just about ovaries, or it's not just about your brain, or it's not just about your one hormone. Our entire endocrine function, which actually regulates important hormones in our body, are affected. So this is the reason that with PCOS, people sort of experience different set of issues, like right from your mood changes, right from your mental health to your period health to your skin health, your fatigue, your bone health. Everything is related to PCOS. So it's quite a complex disorder, and the science as of now doesn't confirm 100% cure of PCOS. Well, the good news is that with the right lifestyle changes, with the focused supplementation, and if medication as necessary, you can manage PCOS like a queen. You can reverse the symptoms and manage it like it doesn't exist anymore. Having said that, it does require some consistency and making sure that you're monitoring your health every few months with the help of your care team or set of experts that you believe in and trust in. Number one is movement or exercise. So we cannot deny the fact that PCOS can make you gain a lot of extra kilos, or you may be somebody who's lean but you're not able to gain good weight. So exercising can benefit both people who are trying to lose weight or people who are trying to gain weight. So regular movement is crucial for maintaining a good BMI, your waist to hip ratio. Now, regular exercise is crucial to improve your insulin sensitivity, improve your PCOS symptoms in order to feel better. So when you're trying to lose weight, you don't have to go skinny to manage your PCOS or reduce your symptoms. Do you know that just by targeting 5 to 10% of weight loss can give you significant improvement in your PCOS symptoms? Now, you may wonder, what is that exercise that I must do, or what is that best exercise for PCOS? So let me tell you, there is no one specific exercise for PCOS. The latest international PCOS guidelines do recommend certain tips and tricks that you can focus on and find the best exercise for you. Since we all are unique, our PCOS is unique, our bodies are different, our health goals are different. So one exercise that might work for me might not work for you. For some, low intensity workouts work better, while for some, high intensity workouts work better. Targeting at least 250 minutes of exercise per week, brisk walking, aerobics, swimming, gym workout machines like treadmill, stationary bike, also combining strength training 3 to 4 times a week, and making sure that you are maintaining at least 1 day of gap between the strength training. Thirdly, targeting at least 10,000 steps in a day, including your daily chores and daily activities. So just to give you an example, so if you're somebody who's already very active and are sort of maintaining a 10,000 steps, or at least between 8,000 to 10,000 steps, then I would sort of include strength training here, because I'm already working enough on my cardio. And if you are somebody who's very sedentary and you're not able to meet the mark of 10,000 steps or 8,000 steps, then I would focus on increasing that steps in some way, and also combining, of course, your strength training. Now, tip number 2 is following a healthy diet. Now, what is that perfect diet for PCOS? I might need another video to share all that information, but just to give a sense, insulin resistance is the most common underlying issue with PCOS, which means that whatever we eat, our body is not able, the cells in our body are not able to absorb the glucose from the food really well, that our blood has already a lot of sugar. Now, including meals which are nutrient dense, including fiber rich meals, including whole foods instead of processed foods or junk food, making sure we're eating balanced meals, which means they should have good amount of protein, good fats, and complex carbohydrates, can ensure that we don't have too much blood sugar spikes in our body post our meals. Avoiding and minimizing processed foods, junk foods, sugary drinks, alcohol, and rather focusing on whole foods that include fresh fruits, nuts, seed, whole grains, proteins, and complex carbohydrates. Number three is sleep. Sleep is quite underrated when we talk about lifestyle changes, but the fact is, if you come to think of it, if you don't have a good quality sleep, chances are less that next day you would have the energy to even work out. If you don't sleep well, you don't feel like working out. When you don't feel like working out, you don't have the even the appetite to have good meals. Sleep plays an important foundation while you're working on your PCOS lifestyle change plan. So getting a good quality sleep of at least 7 to 8 hours is crucial for people with PCOS. Research has shown that there is no perfect duration of sleep. Some people actually feel better with 9 hours of sleep. So find your ideal sleep hours, which makes you feel really happy the next day or makes you feel content and satisfied the next day. Also, another point is that sleeping as per the circadian rhythm with sleep directly affects your mood. Not getting enough sleep can actually increase insulin resistance in your body. It can also affect your moods directly, and lack of sleep can also increase your cortisol levels more than usual and increase your stress levels in the body, which is not great for PCOS. Number four is taking care of your mental well-being. It's super important to seek support from your loved ones or people that you trust, finding a community such as PCOS Club India and many others to find and seek support from like-minded individuals that can be your outlet for your unheard thoughts, emotions, that can help you feel supported and heard. PCOS, unfortunately, is a very lonely journey, and there are so many. We go through so many phases where you need an outlet of your emotions and topics that you cannot discuss with maybe even your most close family and friends. So finding a support and community groups can help you, exchange notes and understand what's working for others, and you can maybe learn from these individuals and learn from others' learnings. Number five is supplementation. So before I go further on this, I want to make sure that you all understand that supplementation cannot replace foundational lifestyle changes, which include like nutritious diet, exercise, sleep. Because the supplements will only work when you have good gut health, when you have good metabolic health. Having said that, supplementation can be a fantastic add-on, or it's like a warm hug while you are working on your lifestyle changes, which can help you feel more supported. And the reason why I talk about supplements is that with PCOS, you are told to lose weight, you are told to go exercise, you are told so many things, while somebody who's gone through PCOS understands that it is so damn difficult to lift yourself up from the bed and fight the chronic fatigue and work on your lifestyle changes. So supplementation can really help while you're making those lifestyle changes. Some of the supplements that work very well are inositol, berberine, NAC, omega-3, zinc, magnesium, vitamin D and B12 as needed. Depending on your unique health profile, you could work on combination of these supplements. If you have a combination, if you have thyroid plus PCOS, you might want to look at a different combination of supplements. If you are a lean PCOS case, you might want to look at a different set of supplementation. But the supplements, focused supplements work really well for PCOS. Please avoid going for a multivitamin or a random supplement which is not focused or meant for you. There are also medications that one might need. So if you are a diabetic or a pre-diabetic, or if your health goal is to lose weight consistently, none of the supplements are working, then there are medications like metformin that can help in combination with these supplements that can help you to achieve your health goals. In conclusion, I would say that PCOS is definitely manageable. We have seen hundreds and hundreds of people with PCOS taking care on our PCOS Jumpstart program. And if you're somebody who's newly diagnosed, or if you're somebody who's dealing with PCOS for many years, please, I understand that how hard it can be to not find solutions and answers. But once you understand your body as your own unique root causes or triggers for PCOS, I think it becomes really helpful, and it becomes like a great start for your piece to implement your PCOS lifestyle changes. And it's also very important to have like your trusted team of doctors, health providers, who can help you consistently monitor and advise on your PCOS management. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and do hit the bell icon to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss my video. And also tell me in the comments below that what are the things that you're finding challenging, what are the topics that I should be covering, and I'll hope to address all of these questions. So with that, I'll see you in the next video, and remember that you're stronger than PCOS.